Hello guys, today I will show you the new device I got for my family. It's called Ninja Thirsti drink system, similar to SodaStream, but you prepare a drink by the glass. So you have 4 drink sizes. You can combine 20 flavors in one glass of fizz drink. It comes with 60-liter CO2 canister and exciting 8 flavors starter pack. So this is the top of the box, so let's look inside. Okay, and here you can see some offers from them, from Ninja. This is the offer to join their refill club by scanning this QR code. So they said you can get a refill canister probably for less money. Very interesting travel bottle which is specifically designed for fizz drinks, and this one is included. So let's look inside. This is the user guide, we will read it later. Very exciting thing. Starter pack. Cute box with a magnetic lid. You can scan the code here. We can open here and you can see a lot of bottles specifically designed for this drink system. So let's look at this box. This is the CO2 60-liter canister, and some people say you can use a SodaStream canister instead of this one if you have. Okay, another box. Here we have a water reservoir. This one, what they say, for packaging only, no contents inside. Okay, now a piece of cardboard here, and I will pull by this bag to put it here. Okay guys, let's look inside of this exciting box. Here we have 8 choices. This is the Splash unsweetened fruit essence with lemon, vitamins like B3, B6, B12, orange tangerine. This one with electrolytes, watermelon, lime. This one is Splash with unsweetened fruit essence, lime. This one is Energy with caffeine, peach mango. This one is Hydrator with electrolytes, strawberry kiwi. This one is a lemonade with vitamins B3, B6, B12. And the last one, Splash raspberry with unsweetened fruit essence. So let's try SodaStream CO2 canister. It's the same size, seems to be the same thread. So let's try it out. So you open this door. There is an instruction here. We can remove it, we don't need it. We're gonna pull this thing out like that and gently insert this one and twist. Okay, and they say twist until tight. So I can tell you it doesn't twist anymore. So we close this door. Next, I install this water reservoir. So they suggest to put some ice cubes inside and use only filtered water. So pay attention, not the tap water. So now we will insert these flavors, two of them. You just do this. You open the cap, you turn all the way like that, and gently insert until it clicks. Okay, I think that's it. First, we need to run the rinse cycle by choosing here still and choosing here 12 ounces, and we press on start. Okay guys, so now we are choosing the low fizz, 6 ounces. Here we press once to make a medium taste, and we press on the start. And nothing happened. Magic. So I will just mix a bit. It has enough bubbles, not very cold. Its taste is just very light. Okay guys, so you just saw what SodaStream CO2 canister worked fine. Let's talk about dimensions. Let's measure the height of this device. It's 16-inch tall and about 14-inch deep and about 4.5-inch wide. At the end, I will give you a few tips and tricks. So first one, when you're shopping for new flavors, pay attention to expiry dates. And here I will show you a few examples. This one, best before May 7, 2025. And another one, best before January 31st, 2025. And once it's expired, it will have a foul taste and smell. So be aware of that. Next one, flavored water drops should be replaced after 30 days of being opened. Next, the good thing about those, there is no aspartame, which I avoid. At the bottom of water reservoir, you can see that cold water indicator. So, the colder the water, the brighter the blue, and the fizzier the drink. It means what you will get better drink when you put some ice in that reservoir. Last tip, don't grab your drink until you hear the chime. The system dispenses 6 ounces at a time. It means when you choose 12 ounces, it will dispense twice by 6 ounces. And if we go to 24, it will dispense 6 ounces, it will wait a bit, next, third time and fourth time. And also, let's see, when you choose 6, you cannot make a combo drink, because it will dispense 1 flavor per 6 ounces. So if you want combo, you should pick 12 here, and once you choose the strength of the taste, 1 here, 1 here, you will have that indicator combo lit. Okay, let's make a combo drink. So first make sure you have right amount of water in reservoir. Next we need to pick 12 ounces, 18 or 24. Now we choose the strength for the flavor. I will put one on first and one on the second, and we are ready to go. At the end we can choose the fizz level, so I put the 1 and I press the start. So at the end I will stir a bit so flavor will mix properly, and let's try it. I really like Ninja Thirsti machine and I give it 5 stars out of 5. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and press on like button.